welcome back to another craft time. My name is Miss Nicole and I'm a children's librarian with the Grundy Library. Today we have a fun bee craft ready for you, so let's head on over to see what supplies we need.
All right, for today's activity, these are the supplies you're gonna need. You're gonna need a stick glue, a pair of scissors, you're gonna need a black marker and either a pink or a red marker, and then something round that you can trace, a piece of blue paper and a piece of yellow paper. First step, you're gonna take a pencil or a crayon and you're gonna trace your hand on the yellow paper. You are also going to want to trace your round object. So I had a roll of painter's tape. I did tracing in the center and also on the outer edge because I wasn't sure how big of a circle I wanted. This is going to be for the head of your bumblebee, so you want to make sure it's proportional to your hand. So then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut out your hand and then whatever circle that you drew on your paper. And then once that is done, you are going to take your blue piece of paper and draw a wing. So these are going to be the wings for your bumblebee. I just hand drew this, like drawn it. And I folded the piece of paper so that I could cut out the shape and have two equal sized shapes. So this is a great time to get your little one to practice drawing shapes and also of course still using those scissors. So once that is cut out, you are all ready to start assembling and decorating your bee. So you're going to take a piece of scrap paper and your hand that's been cut out and a black marker and start drawing the stripes for the bumblebee's body. So as you know, bumblebees are black and yellow and they have black stripes on them. So we are drawing the stripes all the way down to the end. Then we're going to take your circle and you're going to draw your face. I did a cute little smiley face and then I added some pink cheeks to it just to give it some more cuteness. And then you are going to want to make your antennae. And then this is where you're going to cut out a strip, cut it in half. Then you're going to use your scrap paper again to color it all in black. So your bumblebee has its antennae up there. So this is just me coloring in to make sure it's nice and black. You of course can use black construction paper too, but I didn't have any with me. So next we are going to assemble our bumblebee with our stick glue. We are going to first put on our antennae. So I'm just positioning where I want them to go, and then I'm going to use my stick glue to attach them. After we add those on, we are going to attach our head to the body of the bee. So again, I'm going to use my stick glue and kind of figure out where I want it to go. And then I'm going to attach it just on that one side up to the hand there. And then last steps are attaching our wings. So once again, we're going to be using our stick glue. As you can see here, I'm just figuring out where I want it to go on the bee's body. So I'm going to put one on top and then one behind to show that the wings are on both sides of the body. And then you are all set with this craft. I hope you had a lot of fun doing this one with me today and enjoyed making your bee craft.
All right, everybody, I hope you had a great time with me today doing that bee craft. For more library programs and services, please visit our website at www.grundylibrary.org or check out our social media pages. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you for our next craft time. Bye!